When astronomers look up into the night sky, they see countless stars and galaxies separated by vast distances of empty space. That space, and everything in it, makes up our universe. It extends far beyond what can ever be seen with even the most powerful telescope, but everything in it has two things in common. It all originated around 13.8 billion years ago in the huge explosion called the Big Bang. And it all obeys the same set of rules, laws of physics that govern everything from tiny particles of matter to gigantic galaxies. What if this universe isn't the only one there is, though? If the cosmos that we live in is just one of many, where would they be? How might multiple universes be created, and how would we detect them? Multiple births. Although it may sound like science fiction and the multiverse, multiple universes is a favorite device for film writers and comic book creators. Scientists take the idea very seriously. One theory is rooted in the Big Bang itself. Many astronomers believe that the space in which we live is made from just a small fragment of the original Big Bang explosion. This idea explains many aspects of how the cosmos appears today, they argue, but the initial Big Bang could have also created a whole universe of universes like bubbles blowing from a bubble wand. It may be possible for different realms to collide. The different sets of laws of physics would conflict, battling it out until one eventually overwhelmed the other. Astronomers have searched the edges of our universe for signs of such collisions, but so far they haven't found anything. Many worlds. Another popular multiverse theory is called many worlds. It suggests new parallel universes are being created all the time. Like a fork in a road, our world splits constantly. Many worlds began as a way of explaining the strange behavior of subatomic, smaller than atoms, particles. The movements of these tiniest bits of matter are impossible to predict with total certainty, which is quite different to the way the large-scale world works. Whereas you can be confident of the result of a collision between two snooker balls, you cannot be so sure of interactions between two subatomic particles. In the many worlds theory, every possibility gets its own universe, so every possible outcome plays out. Every millisecond, trillions upon trillions of copies of reality are created, and the one you live in is just one particular branch. The mind-boggling number of possibilities means that every alternative reality can happen somewhere. There's a universe where you're a pop star, one where you're prime minister, and even one where you make this video. Mystery of the missing realms. So if there are all these different universes being created, where are they? Top theoretical physicist Carroll explained that because each cosmos has its own version of space, they are not really in any location or place. Instead, they exist in parallel, a bit like the pages of a book are close but separated from each other. Carroll also suggests a good way to think about the different versions of you living in coexisting universes. You need to update what you mean by yourself when you take this theory seriously, he explained. There are many copies of you, but they are different people. So far there's no way of knowing if the idea of a multiverse is science fiction or science fact. Nevertheless, it's a mind-melting mystery to ponder.